Hi fellow traders, I'm going to share you my analysis of quick trading in Euro and Canadian dollar. So today I'm trading Euro versus Japanese yen and Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. But just like all other times, let's look at the major currency pairs to figure out why am I trading these pairs instead of trading major pairs. So let's look at the Euro. If you look at this support area, this was caused by these three lows here, and today at the same area we got the support. Euro returned back. I'm ignoring all the indicators today because these indicators generally is used by me in case of swing trading, and this is not kind of swing trading. I'm going to quickly exit after a few pips. Recent resistance on the daily time frame is this area, this rectangle, and there is a probability that market has returned to the upside, and it will go at least to this lower border of this resistance area, which is kind of 70 pips. So we have there 70 pips on the table. But what other thing I observed on USD JPY, at the same time USD JPY is also going up, and this movement to the upside is bigger than the previous movement. You can see that this was the movement which was rejected by the price, and prices had started going down but couldn't break this previous low, and it started again going up when Trump had said that this is the good time for seeing dollar at the high price. I'm not telling you exact statement, but he had said something that he wanted to see dollar getting stronger. So then USD JPY had gone up, retraced down, but again continued to the upside. Right now while I'm making this video, this already has broken to the upside, and this recent swing has caused a continuation to the upside. Alright, so this is a very nice setup on USD JPY, which is bullish, while Euro USD and USD JPY simultaneously are bullish. So instead of buying Euro USD or buying USD JPY, we should buy Euro JPY. So that is what I have done. I have already entered my buy position in Euro JPY, and that position has been open at the price level 115.755. So now price is 115.80. So I am in kind of 5 or you can say 50 points floating profit. So this is the Euro JPY. Other situation which I say is the USD CAD. First thing I have to tell you about the USD CAD is the daily setup. We have been seeing the tendency since here that the price has been contracting, and this is making a kind of triangle. If we draw a triangle like this is flat line where price took support last two times, here and here. Last fall couldn't touch this line. Nevertheless, this line is still a support line, but the rise to the upside stayed and bounced back from this trend line. So there is a probability that USD CAD will also keep going down at least to the mid of this triangle. And mid of this triangle, I mean mid of this descending line, and this flat horizontal line is something like 39.58 area, and this is still giving us 100 pips to the downside. Last time, if you look at this double top wasn't completed because the classical target of this double top was supposed to be 165 to the upside, then of course similar 165 pips to the downside, which was at the same support line, which was not touched. So maybe this time price can fall to this area, but I'm not targeting here. I'm just targeting the middle of this descending line and this flat horizontal line, so something around here. But shall I sell USD CAD? No. Why? Because I have seen two different kind of reaction here. When Trump said about strengthening dollar today, USD CAD started strengthening, and it went up, touched the line, and reversed back. But it reversed all the bullish action of last 4 hours in 2 hours. So definitely Canadian dollar is turning stronger than US dollar. So instead of selling US dollar versus CAD, we should sell Japanese yen, because Japanese yen is already even weaker than US dollar. Already you can see Japanese yen is weaker. So that's why we have to go to CAD JPY, and here we got this opportunity and very nice setup like A, B, C, D to the upside. Already this price action was in bullish and very fast kind of bias. So we have a bullish bias here. This is a bullish reaction from this 61.8 support, although there is no big significance of this support resistance on such non major pairs. But I'm telling you two things. I'm telling one other thing which is exceptional and which can be considered on CAD JPY, because CAD JPY itself is kind of major pair, although it's not a US dollar pair, but it is traded like CAD is considered risk currency, Japanese yen is considered safe haven currency. So there is always a big trend on CAD JPY whenever people think of risk and the risk aversion, and then they change their, and then they move their money. So you will always see while USD CAD is going down, just like it's happening right now, USD CAD is going down, USD JPY is going up, and such kind of phenomena takes place when CAD JPY is going up with faster speed. So better to buy CAD JPY instead of touching USD CAD or USD JPY. So I bought CAD JPY already, and here are my details of the position. I'm already running in the profit, slight profit. I entered at 75.944, and my target is 76.743, which is this falling trend line. So upper bottom of the falling trend line, even if it meets here tomorrow, the target will come around 76.025. Let me plot this today, tomorrow, and horizontally, 76.024. It will be it is 76.743. Sorry, I read mistakenly the current price, which is 76.02. My target is 76.74. I repeat, 76.74 here at this trend line, and the stop loss is beyond the today's low, few pips below, 2 or 3 pips below the today's low. So that's all about CAD JPY. Let me tell you the SL and TP of Euro JPY. Euro JPY SL is also below this current candle, which is 115.31. Current candle, this area 115.31, and the target is equal to the risk. I'm not targeting much, as I told you that I'm because other indicators on major pair Euro USD is not in the favor of big swing. So I'm trying to exit as soon as possible in Euro. So my target of the Euro JPY is equal to the risk. So risk is kind of 42 pips, reward should be at least 42 pips, and we have a room to the upside to go to the previous resistance area. So there can be two styles of drawing previous resistance. Maybe this can be a kind of head and shoulder pattern. This can be kind of shoulder. So at least here price can go till this area. This area can work as a resistance zone. So we already got our target before this area. So my target already is 116.21, slightly below this resistance zone, because you can even take a slightly better target, maybe 116.30 or 34, but I'm trying to exit as soon as possible just by keeping my reward better than the risk or equal to the risk. So I'm exiting at 116.219 exactly. So that's all about these two trades. Thank you for watching.